ground is getting down and they're doing it all naturally. Wake up, ika hokumaluna o kukaini wa pa just to see. Oh my, kakapain na ho my, kakapapo ho my, you turn to me. And the only one, hanabakali kako, only place to be. The only one, hanabakali kako, ke'iamanao, a butterfly free. So if you're ever in the future, I hope you won't be shot down to see. On the ground is getting down and they're doing all that naturally. Well, me and my boy, that's my EO. We stay up late to watch a Jerry Springer show. Same old, same old, same old. I'm saying yup, 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 yup. When you got a chance, you're doing the dance to that curly shuffle. Well, me and my boy, that's my EO. We stay up late to watch a Jerry Springer show. Same old, same old, same old. I'm saying yup, 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 yup. When you got a chance, you're doing the dance to that curly shuffle. Ooh, hey, army and slide. Ooh, hey, army and slide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, army and slide. Ooh, hey, army and slide. Oh, 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 oh. You cool me to the left and you cool me to the right. Go hollow in the middle, you can do me up and let's go around the island with your hands on my head. Good, snapping your fingertips. Sophisticated, who made it, we do it too, because we do that later on the island. Ooh, hey, I'm inside. Ooh, hey, I'm inside. Oh, hey, I'm inside. Ooh, hey, I'm inside. Oh, 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 oh. Now don't be lazy, don't be late. Come on and grab the alligators, 'cause it's time to skate. Press your heels into the floor. Do the order now slide. Oh, hey, army and slide. Oh, hey, army and slide. Whoa, hey, army and slide. Hey, army and slide. Oh, 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 oh. Natalie, Kamauu, everyone. Nice big round of applause again. And her honey bunny Iolani right there that she met on the radio. But I think Natalie, it's good fun, yeah. Just listen to her talk story. We could just, your husband like, can you cut her mic? He's used to. No, we love it. Don't we love that? We love that. We love when our entertainers, share more than they need to, because we like no scoops. Oh yeah, you get some more stories, Nat. Iolani's like, oh, I don't think so. That's so funny. Thank you, Natalie. Come here. Nat, how can people get your music? Oh, by the way, okay, Natalie sings with Vaipula, and they sing this song called One More Day. And it's a song originally done by Diamond Rio, and they do such a wonderful rendition. You probably heard it on Hawaiian 105 Kiaini, and Natalie's on that. Yes! Oh, so it's beautiful. Oh, what album is that? Oh, E Mau Ke Aloha. Yeah, okay, good. So get that one too. And do you have a website everybody can just hop onto? Facebook. Everybody on Facebook. Go friend her. Wait, you can get friends what? Because you know how some people, they get enough friends. No, you try to be friends and it's like, oh, okay, she got her music page, yeah. No, it's funny because beautiful Sunway, she's so cute. She's like, oh, somebody unfriended me, so I have one more spot. Anybody like be my friend? So, are we? Yeah, when they unfriend you. I don't know yet. It's like, hello, you want to ask for be unfriend and then you unfriend me. What's up with that?